Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve blocked account on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve blocked account on CapCut app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to CapCut and you can click here. As you see in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about CapCut. If you'll find here uninstall, you can click uninstall and you can wait 3 seconds to uninstall it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you